guys, it's your girl Nikki here, back to you with another Makeup Mondays with Nikki. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. It's a little galaxy type eye makeup tutorial today, but without the little white dots on it. Alright, let's get right down to the video. Alright guys, so I've already done my foundation powder, contour highlight, and my brows as well. Now I'm going to be starting off with this blue shade right here that I'm going to be putting on my eyelids. I did not know if I wanted to start with the blue shade first or the purple shade first. So if you think that I should start with the purple shade first, then comment below.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Alright guys, the next color I'm using is, like I said before, the purple shade. I'm sorry, not this shade, but this shade right here. And it's going to go like in the middle of my eyelid in a way, like a sunset type of crescent.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Alright, so the color I'm using next is this color right here that's in the middle of a blue and purple area. And I'm going to put that along my whole entire crease from the inside as close as I can to the outer corner of my eyelid, just to match it up with both colors.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Alright, so next with my finger, I'm going to be using this type of glittery type of purple right here, and I'm just going to be dabbing that over my eyelid to add a little extra purple and glitter shine to each eye.
Music license.
Alright, so now I'm done with the coloring and my eyelids. I'm going to start putting my eyeliner on my bottom line because I never do the top of my eye.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Just wiping off that little excess. And now here comes the mascara for my top lashes.
Artlist.io.
Alright, now I got the eyes did. Now it's time to move on with the lips. I'm going to be doing a red lip color today, so I'm going to be lining my lips with my red lip liner pencil.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, today for some reason I decided to fill in the corners of my mouth with my lip liner pencil for you guys. So I'm going to do that right now.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
And of course, for the filling today, it's going to be my red Wet n Wild lip gloss that I always add normally with my red lip liner. I'm just going to fill this in for you guys, and that'll be the end of the lips. Alright you guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And bye bye for now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so you will be subscribed to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on all my videos that comes every Monday and throughout the week. Next Monday I will be doing the September birthstone color because today is still August, so I decided to do something different. So if you want to see the September's birthstone, which is sapphire, then tune in next Monday for another video on Makeup Mondays with Nikki. Alright guys, see you next week. Ciao.